It is quite difficult to predict how much can you earn working as a designer because there are a lot of factors that affect your salary. First of all, your educational background can help already to get better paid. Ideal background is graphic design, product design, or something art related, but it is not a must. I have met several creative professionals without a degree in art or a degree at all. Another important factor for your salary is your experience. This is also complex, but what mainly matters is how many projects have you worked on, how many clients have you worked with, and whether you worked in an agency or studio or not. Don't be afraid if you don't have any experience yet, because there are many ways to start off, which I'm going to discuss later in this course. There can also be a critical difference in salary depending on what expertise you choose as a designer. You shouldn't be a jack of all trades trying to be great at everything. You can be good at many things, but you can be great in only one thing that you dedicate most of your time to. Generally speaking, those can earn more who is into designing for the web and mobile, as these are the main channels of all business around the world at the moment. Print design is not to be forgotten though, even if it is a bit less paid at the moment. Here is a chart from Simply Hired showing average salaries for designers. The rates are annual and they are in US dollars. Some useful info from UK-based website called Prospects. Range of typical starting annual salaries for junior graphic designers is between £14,000 to £25,000. A senior designer can earn between £25,000 to £45,000, and a creative director can make up to £65,000. An experienced and valued freelancer can earn up to £40 an hour. The rate increases for designers with impressive track records and recommendations. Salaries vary widely depending on the sector of employment, geographical location, and the experience and reputation of the designer. As a side note, I wanted to also mention that doing what you are passionate about is almost as important as getting well paid for it, or maybe even more important. The pleasure of creating something new every day and pleasing your clients and their customers is priceless. But of course, everyone needs to pay bills, taxes, and buy things, and for that you also need to get paid well. Overall, a designer can earn good money with some years of experience and a good portfolio.